Ring Intercom adds superpowers to your existing intercom system. Using the Ring app, you can talk through your intercom from anywhere or let guests in remotely, and it's so easy to install, you can do it yourself. Just remove the front cover from your handset. Enter the brand of your intercom, and the Ring app will tell you which of the included cables will connect Ring Intercom to your system and show you how to connect it to your handset. When it's all connected, press the Ring Intercom onto the wall, then put the front cover back on your handset. The Ring app will walk you through a quick test to make sure everything's working. And just like that, you've added the power of Ring to your intercom.